How to turn on or turn off Assistant menu on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity, and then tap on assistant menu. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on, then tap on allow. Now to switch it off, just tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Then from the pop-up, tap on turn off. Now you can also tap on the left hand side menu. In here, you'll be able to customize your assistant menu. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.